Search, request and renew library items using the MyLibrary app from the comfort of your phone. First, search the App Store or Google Play Store for the MyLibrary app. If there are multiple library apps, the one you want is by Innovative Interfaces, Inc. After installing the app, agree to the terms and conditions and then search for Federation. Once you've selected Federation University Australia, you will need to sign in with your student number and password. The home screen has 3 sections. Social media links to the library's social media accounts for updates on system issues. Find enables searches for campus library items and ebooks. You can either select Scan Book to scan the barcode on the back of a book to search the library's holdings or keyword search the catalogue. Click on Place Hold in the bottom right corner to request that item. You'll receive a notification to your student email and the app when the item is in your nominated library. My Account allows you to view and renew your loans and check to see what is on hold. The hamburger in the top right corner is a shortcut to any of these options, including Show Card, which displays the barcode on your university ID card. This means if you don't have your card with you, you can use that to borrow items at the information desk.